Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to something different. This ain't just an event. This is a transformation. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go.
Walk in the room, feel that shift, that energy you can't resist. Everybody came to ride, you can see it in their eyes. No more playing small tonight, we stepping into something right. If you feel that fire inside, put your hands up, let it rise. Oh,
We came to level up. We don't give up. If you feel it, say it loud.
strengthen your world. Let's go. Turn it up, let it show. Let's go. Strengthen your world.
Right now.
We don't stop, we don't slow down. Strengthen your world.
Say it loud.
Strengthen your world.
Feel that energy in the crowd.
Strengthen your world.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
New level, new mindset. This the moment you won't forget. Different people, same goal. Everybody here on goal. From a vision to real life, this is where you take flight. If you're ready for more tonight, step up on your life. When I say strengthen,